Hey my friends, this is the second part of Buddha drawing. On first part I have shown you how to draw the outline and the link is on I button, and this is the second part where I will show you how to shade the full face. Guys, today I am going to draw Lord Buddha, and for that the following materials I am going to use: one sketchbook with mixed media and about 200 GSM pages, domes color pencils, and one white gel pen, white glass pencil, mechanical pencil, and soft charcoal pencil, kneaded eraser, and one sharpener along with one brush pen with maroon color. So let's start the video. So first of all, secure the edges with masking tape just like this. Once it is done, now erase the extra line which we have used as a guideline. Now select the darker brown shade or burnt sienna color. Give one darkest tone to the eyebrows, eyes, nose and lips areas. Once done, shade the side area of the faces with the same tone. Once done, now extend the darkest brown color to the both corner of the eyebrows and as well as to the jawline. Repeat the same on either side. Now take one lighter tone than the previous brown color. Now reshade the previous shaded area along with some extended areas. Now take the darkest brown color and give shade to the features of eyes and nose just like the video. Slowly you just give all the details. Once again take the lighter brown color and extended areas shade as well as the previous areas. Now take the lightest brown color. Now shade all the rest of the areas along with the previous areas with lightest brown color and keep the lip portion blank only. Now take the lightest pink color and try to blend all the shades with each other with small circular motion which is called scumble method. Now take the black color and try to give a smooth blackish effect at the edges of the face as well as corner of the eyes, side of the nose, lip junction and upper portion and lower portion of the lip area as per the video. Now notice, along with the black color, I am using brown color also where it is needed to give a smooth transition from dark to light value. Now I'm going to add one more darker tone to the eyebrows, eyelashes, eyelid and iris portion. So I'm using black pencil very carefully over those areas. Now select a pink tone for the corner of the eyes, both side corners, as well as for the lips. Blend the lip color with a white pencil always. Now give a red tone to the tikka. Once it is done, select a black color to the lower portion of that tikka to give a 3D effect. Once done, now select a black pen and give more accurate details to the eyes and eyebrows. Use a white gel pen for the reflection on eyes, just like this. Now give a dark pink tone on the lips, and once done, give a reflection of light with a white gel pen. So this is all about today's video. Tomorrow I will upload the last part of this portrait. So if you are new to my channel, then subscribe and select the bell notification. Till then, take care. See you tomorrow. Till then, bye.